The genome is the whole cannabis genome. That's all the code. That's the entire code. And if we're talking about a gene would be a specific trait.
The entire code for the species, right? Rather than an individual plant or organism.
Correct.
When you go to get like a test with your spit in a test tube for 23andMe, they're sequencing your personal genetics. And same with cannabis. When we do cannabis testing, we're sampling an individual plant. But being able to map the whole organism's genome, the human genome was mapped in the year 2000, cannabis was mapped in the year 2011, allows us then to look at the individual samples from different individual people or individual plants and start decoding it. Because when they sequence the whole genome, it's in a language we can't read. And the only way to actually start understanding it is to do population studies on individual organisms. And so the best way to explain it would be like with humans. If you had um, 10 people, and this is a very tiny sample, with different color eyes, and three of them had blue eyes. You would want to figure out which gene potentially is causing the blue eyes. You would look at those three people and try to see what they have that the others don't have. And so that's a very oversimplified way of being able to decode the genome, but that's essentially what's happening is they sequence the entire species genome to understand the variables, and then we start sequencing individual organisms within that species so that we can break it down. Go ahead, James.